Okay, so I thought I would go ahead and make a quick demonstration video showing a recent change that I made to the software here. What this allows it to do is identify objects that might not enter the field of view until several images later on in the sequence. So let's go ahead and run it through the tracker. This is object 2018 UC2, and we already have a basic idea of the motion of the object. So I can go ahead and specify that in the tracker settings. That'll make it run quicker than it would otherwise. So let's go ahead and give it a few moments here, and it should come back with the results here pretty shortly. So okay, as you can see, it came back with one object detected, and I'm going to go ahead and load up the star catalog and optimize the track. And what we can go ahead and do here, before I create the observations, I'll just go ahead and show you the image sequence here. So as you can see, the negative numbers for the Y component indicate that the object was outside the field of view for these first few images. And then finally it entered the field of view, and you can see it progress through the field of view there. So it tracks the object very well, even though it's not visible in those first few images. So that's a great example of this change to the software, and so that's a nice update there, in my opinion. So what you can go ahead and do then is create observations of this object, and it's showing here the object and the crosshairs, so that tracks nicely. If we wanted to, we could change to this average view that you may be more familiar with. In any case, they both work fine. You can also use this mode as well. Anyway, enough of that. We can go ahead and see what those observations look like if we create them. So 2018 UC2, and once we've added the observations, then it populates additional information in these overlay boxes here. So it gives you the designation of the object, speed, position, angle, and other observation information as well. So in any case, it would be nice to see, okay, what do the residuals look like on these observations. So we can do that here. So let's go ahead and remove the existing observations that were created. Let's see here. Okay, so these were the observations that were originally submitted in October 21st. So we'll remove those and instead see what these new observations look like, again for October 21st. And this is W34, and so we have 0.49 is the highest residual. So these are good, reasonable observations of this object that is moving at 49 seconds per minute. So anyhow, I think that basically details the change. So any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.